A single social media post from a political figure just triggered a multi-million-dollar surge in meme coins. Donald Trump's BIG dollar post and Trump Jr.'s repost of Franklin the Base Turtle on X and Instagram led to immediate spikes in Solana-based Franklin, Bonk, and Big G tokens. This highlights how political narratives can drive extreme volatility and rapid token deployments in the decentralized finance space, a classic example of narrative-driven market behavior. Top analysts are sounding the alarm. Dogecoin's recent surge is drawing attention to highly volatile meme coins. Shiba Inu, Pepe, Bonk, WIF, and Floki are seeing increased activity, driven by community hype and rapid liquidity. However, remember, these assets are fragile, reacting sharply to sentiment shifts, demanding careful research and risk management. Why are major players in the crypto world shifting their focus when Ethereum is on the brink of a new all-time high? BNB whales are pivoting to Digitap, or Dollar Tap, a low-cap coin projected to skyrocket by 35x after its launch, seeking higher Q4 returns. This project, with over $2.2 million in funding, enables spending crypto like cash via a Visa card, addressing universal money problems. The blockchain sector just witnessed a pivotal alliance. KingdomStarter and Helios are merging strengths to integrate decentralized fundraising with advanced infrastructure. KingdomStarter, a multi-chain launchpad, will now integrate its projects with Helios's unique ETF-native Layer 1 blockchain, managing digital assets like a diversified fund. This collaboration aims for a more robust ecosystem, leveraging Helios's IPOSR consensus, securing the network via staked assets, and validator reputation. This overlooked metric in the crypto world reveals Ethereum's base layer transaction fees have hit a year low. This isn't a sign of weakening demand. Instead, it's a direct result of upgrades like Fusaka, shifting activity to more efficient Layer 2 solutions. With total value locked remaining stable at over $70.5 billion, the network is thriving, processing transactions on cheaper layers without losing users. Even your multi-factor authentication isn't safe. A sophisticated phishing campaign bypassed MFA, stealing data from 18 US universities. Attackers used the Eviljinx phishing kit, acting as a digital middleman to steal both credentials and crucial session cookies, effectively bypassing the extra security step. This months-long spree involved over 70 domains, highlighting the critical need for constant vigilance against evolving cyber threats. PayPal's PYUSD stablecoin just saw an astonishing 224% circulation surge in 3 months, now exceeding $3.8 billion. This rapid expansion, making it the 6th largest stablecoin, is fueled by decentralized finance protocols, with Athena holding $1.2 billion. Lucrative incentives, often backed by US Treasury bonds, attract users. But future Fed rate cuts might challenge this growth strategy. If you're involved in Solana DeFi, this internal conflict between Camino and JupiterLend could be quietly eroding the very trust the ecosystem relies on. Solana Foundation President Lily Liu intervened, urging both to focus on expanding Solana's $5 billion lending market, which pales compared to Ethereum's $50 billion. This public dispute over collateral reuse and risk disclosure is like two smart contracts, arguing over execution details, while the entire blockchain waits. Strategy just made its biggest Bitcoin buy since July, nearly $1 billion. Yet, its stock is down over 50% this year. This adds 624 BTC, bringing their total holdings to 624, acquired at an average of $74.696, largely funded by selling MSTR shares. Despite billions in unrealized Bitcoin gains, this move highlights the market's complex view on companies leveraging crypto assets. This groundbreaking partnership between Bybit and Circle is set to redefine how we interact with stablecoins. But what does it mean for your digital assets? They're expanding USDC liquidity across Bybit's ecosystem, from trading to everyday payments, aiming for a more compliant and efficient user experience. This move comes as USDC circulation soared to $73.7 billion, even as the broader stablecoin market faces increased regulatory scrutiny. While smart money traders are betting against Ethereum, one major firm is aggressively accumulating it. Tom Lee's BitMine Immersion Technologies just acquired another $199 million in ETH, bringing their total holdings to 3.08% of the entire supply. This strategic move, part of their Alchemy of 5% plan, starkly contrasts with short-term market sentiment and ETF outflows, signaling strong long-term conviction. Latest move by SpaceX has crypto markets buzzing, as nearly $100 million in Bitcoin just changed wallets. This 8th major transaction, involving 1083 BTC, included transfers to Coinbase Prime, sparking debate over custody changes and potential selling. Occurring as Bitcoin slid below $90,000, this shift highlights institutional activity amidst volatility, with analysts divided on whether it's strategic repositioning or a precursor to liquidation.